Hey guys, in this video, I will show you comparison between Udemy and Skillshare, which is better. Alright, let's begin. When it comes to online learning, Udemy and Skillshare are two of the most popular platforms in 2025. Both offer thousands of courses across a wide range of topics, but they cater to different learning styles and goals. Choosing the right one depends on whether you prefer one-time purchases or ongoing access to a subscription library, and what type of content you're looking for: practical skills, creative projects, or professional development. Udemy is best known for its massive course catalog. With over 2 lakh courses, it offers learning opportunities in everything from programming and business to design, marketing, and personal development. What sets Udemy apart is its pay per course model. You buy a course once and get lifetime access, including any updates the instructor makes. This is ideal for learners who want long-term access and prefer to focus on one subject at a time. Udemy also frequently offers heavy discounts, making it affordable for most users. Courses vary in quality because anyone can create and publish them, but the platform includes ratings, reviews, and previews to help you choose wisely. Skillshare, on the other hand, runs on a subscription model. For a flat monthly or annual fee, you gain unlimited access to all its courses. Skillshare focuses more on creative skills like illustration, photography, writing, video editing, and lifestyle design, although it also includes content in business and productivity. The platform is known for its community-driven approach, with many projects and assignments that encourage learners to practice and share their work. Classes are often shorter, more informal, and hands-on, which appeals to users looking for quick, practical skills they can apply right away. In terms of value, Skillshare is great for binge learners or those who want to explore multiple topics at once. However, if you stop paying for the subscription, you lose access to the courses. Udemy, by contrast, lets you build a personal course library that you can return to anytime, which is great for in-depth learning at your own pace. So, in order to decide which is the best online course platform, you have to follow these steps. Think about how you like to learn, whether you want to own your courses or prefer all you can learn access, and what subjects matter most to you. If you're after professional skills with long-term reference, Udemy might be the better fit. But if you enjoy creative projects and ongoing exploration, Skillshare is an excellent choice. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.